Welcome. In front of me I have AMAZFIT Active 3 Premium, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. So let's get started. First thing you will need to do is to turn on your watch, and to turn it on, press and hold the lower button and keep holding it until you see the AMAZFIT logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up. In the meantime, we need to download and install the Zepp application. So let's go to the phone we want to pair our watch with. Make sure you have the internet connection Bluetooth enabled. Then open the Play Store. For some reason it opened in the wrong orientation, which was weird. Okay, once you open the Play Store, tap on the search bar and type in Zepp with 2 P's. Like this, and then tap on search. And here you should see the Zepp application. Tap on install to install it. Now we can go to our watch, and you may see this list of languages on the screen. If you see it, select the language you would like to use, and then you will see the message to download and install the Zepp application. Once the application is done installing, you can tap on open to open it. In the app, you will need to log in into a AMAZFIT account or Zepp account. If you don't have one, tap on sign up and make a new one, and then use it to log in. I already have one, so I'm gonna tap on login. Enter the email address and password. Okay, that should be good. Tap on login. For some reason, my watch is trying to pair with another device right now. We're just gonna try to skip this. Okay, and if you're in the app, tap on device, tap on watch, tap on got it, allow the required permission, tap on got it, allow the required permission. And now we can scan the QR code from the watch. But this is a bit annoying because the watch is showing me the code. Can I skip it? Okay, I skipped it. Press the upper button. And now you should see the QR code, and we can scan it. So basically point the phone's camera on the code like this, and we'll scan it, and it will start pairing the devices. Tap on allow. Okay, we can tap on next. Here we can enable the notifications for our watch. So basically, if you want to see the notifications from your phone on your watch, you can enable them. You can also skip them if you don't care. I'm gonna enable them for the sake of the video. So tap on enable, allow. And then we have the Bluetooth calls. Again, you don't need this, you can skip it. But if you want to be able to start calls on your watch through the Bluetooth, you can tap on enable and allow the required permissions, like that. And then we have the contacts. You can skip it or allow it. Sending voice commands or sending SMS using the voice commands. If you want to use this feature, enable and allow the permissions. If you don't care, you can skip it. Then we have the calendar sync. And finally, the weather location. Again, you can skip it or enable it. And the background activity permission. This is useful if you want the app to be connected to your watch constantly without like interruptions. You can skip it, or you can tap on go to settings, and here you can enable options like enhanced connectivity, persistent wake up. You can also tap on battery optimization whitelist and enable the whitelisting for the app, which will prevent it from being closed by the battery optimization, my bad. And once you're done here, you can tap on back. Now you should see the activity goals for the profile. You can set up the goals for your daily and calories, or not daily, but I mean these are the daily goals, but for the steps or calories, you can select which one will be the leading activity goal. You have steps and calories, and then you can adjust them. And once you're done, tap on next. We can enable the goal reminders or disable them. Next. Done, and you should see your Active Premium free active active free premium, my bad, right here on the device page. On the watch we can adjust the text size, then press the upper button, and you should see the homepage of the watch and it should be ready to use. And basically that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.